Morning. I'm back from my holidays. It's depressing, isn't it, when you come back? I miss my butler. I miss the sea. It was just such a good holiday. Anyway, I never really did a final vlog, did I? Summing up of what the holiday was like. Let's have a think of what I would have done. Morning. Well, today is the last day of the holiday. We've got to be off the ship for tomorrow at about 8:30 in the morning. It's lunchtime now, so we're going to go down for some lunch, obviously. We've skipped breakfast, so we can have lunch. What can I say about this cruise? So it's a Silver Seas cruise. The ship that we're on is called the Silver Wind, and we've done the Caribbean cruise. But I have to say, having never done a cruise before, I can really recommend it, provided you don't get seasick. That affected us one night, not because it was rough, but Nicola has to take tablets, otherwise she gets car sick or seasick or whatever, and she was quite confident that she wasn't going to get seasick because it's not been choppy at all, but of course it didn't work out that way. So she's been on the tablets since, and it's been fantastic. But as for the cruise, I can strongly recommend it. The food has been amazing. We went out last night and had it was a fancy restaurant. We had to pay a supplement for it, which was $60 each, and we also had to pay for the wine. But it was, I'm not kidding you, it was far superior to anything else we've had on the ship. Lobster, the wine was beautiful. It was a 2016 Sancerre, and I'm not kidding you, it was the nicest wine I've ever had. So altogether, it was well worth paying the supplement to do. I'm glad we didn't do it earlier on, because she'd have had us eating there every night. And I'm a bit tight. But I have to say, thoroughly in love with the cruise. The islands where we've been coming to, what can I say about that? We got off the ship, obviously, we had a look round, but basically, because we didn't have time to hire a car or anything like that, we didn't see much of the islands, just the touristy bits, and they were pretty much the same wherever we went, which was a bit of a shame. I think if we were to do another cruise, we would plan it a lot better. This has been, we've learnt a lot about this on this cruise, because with it being our first one. So yeah, that's what we'd do differently. I think we'd spend more time on the islands, sightseeing basically. But you pay for this ship. All I wanted to do, when I got over there and saw the shops, all I wanted to do was come back and get on the ship. What else can I say? That's about it really. So this is the end of my cruising vlogs. I'm sorry they've not been regular, but we've been unable to upload them. I've done 2 so far and not been able to upload them. By the time you see this, you will have seen them. I'm going to wait till I get to Miami and then upload the vlogs. But yeah, if you ever think about doing a cruise, I can strongly recommend it. Right, so it's bye from me, and next time I see you, we'll probably be back in the UK. Take care everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. If you've liked them, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so I suppose that's how I would have summed up the holiday. Loved it. Right, what to do next, eh? What should I do next? Well, I'll tell you what I'll do next. I've got a bit of an unboxing for you. You might remember some of my older vlogs. I had an electric skateboard and a folding skateboard. I've sold them. I kept falling off and hurting myself. I'm 52 years old. I can't do skateboarding anymore. I've not got the balance. I say I've not got the balance. So, I've sold them, and with the money I got from them, I've bought a new bike, an electric bike. Now, it's very similar to in America, they have bikes it's called a Super 73, but I didn't want to get an American version because you can get them a European version, and this one came from, is it Belgium? I think it's Belgium. I'm not sure, but it's called a Unimoke, so you can Google it. And I've had to wait 5 months for this, so it's been on order for 5 months because they're all hand built and they're not common. Crikey, no, they're not common, but they're quite hard to get hold of. So once you've ordered it, it was a 5-month wait. Anyway, it came the day before I went on my holidays. Do you remember my holidays? Anyway, no, forget about that. It came. Anyway, I've not unboxed it, so it's been in the study room waiting for me to come back off this trip. So I think we should do a big unboxing. Very excited about this.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells.
This is my new Unimoke. Wow. So I bought it with the raw paintwork. So it's got a coating on it, but there's actual no paint on it. So, God, I've waited so long for this, guys. I've waited 5 months for this. This is the box that comes with it. Nice little welcome pack, that's nice. I think this is all the, oh wow. I'll get this out. Those are my 2 pedals. Oh, that's charging cable. Has it got a UK adapter? No, I'll sort that out. Ah, that's the charging unit. That's the first job, is to get the battery on charge. That's my first job to do. Guys, so this is the bike fully assembled. It's a very retro looking bike, isn't it? Big fat tyres. Oh. The extras I bought for it were just the light on the back, which is that thing there, and the mud guards. I can't wait to get this charged up and have a go. Excited!
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for ya. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every